A YouTube amazing sensation.
Yeah, apparently you're the biggest hit of my channel. And it wasn't meant to be like that.
Oh, for real?
Everyone's like, man, you're dead. When he saw you with that camera on your head, and he's like, man, what the heck? Are you filming this?
Like, oh, I'm gonna have to go on there and watch that one. That's hilarious.
Yes, there's like 3 people that watch it.
Come on, I'm gonna be, what is it? When it all blows up, I forget what it's called. A YouTube sensation. There's something else where it gets viral. I'm gonna go viral, baby.
Yeah. He was like, this is how I bend copper. Oh boy.
People from all around the world are gonna call me to come work for them. I'm gonna be the Mikey of OCC.
Got it?
Mm-hmm. I do have to have Joey look up something on YouTube. I can't. Take this out.
So good? Mm-hmm. We're gonna put this up on there. Okay.
Oh, that's pretty clean.
Yep, metal.
Huh? Metal stays a lot cleaner.
Yeah, it can't grow mold. Mold will grow on metal. But this doesn't have a lot of mold in it, except for that one little. Yeah. You know what? That was probably where it wasn't sealed very well, where it's got mold, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, wait, yeah.
Now on this side, you see your
Yeah,
side?
they didn't do a very good job of taping it.
So it's actually kind of interesting how you would think on this end, where the air is blowing out, air only leaks out.
Yeah.
But air also comes in. And that's why sometimes you'll see it's moldy, because the humid air is coming in to that cold place. But then that area always stays like damp.
Hold the unit. I'll let it go up against the joists. Slam it out. There we go. Beast, I won't be able to handle.
Yeah, it's going to hurt you because it's going to go right through that ceiling. It's free.
And me too. It's like, dang, it's stuck and I can't get a good place in here.
Need some help?
Yeah, Squeaks, come on. On this side. If you can get behind the unit.
I love how they never converted this thing right.
Where do you want me? Behind the unit. Can you get past me? I need this coil out of this air handler, but I don't want it slamming and get all the weight as soon as we get clear of it. So you ready to help me get it out? The air handler's going to have to slam against this upright. to get it to come forward. A little bit more inches.
Okay,
Right,
it's out.
Come out. Let's see if you can help me get it down.
All right, I'm kind of holding it. Hook up against the upright. You get positioned. And
yeah, Joe and I. I'm gonna move the ladder. I'm gonna take the pan
yeah, let's flip it for him.
Taking the pan?
Yep, we'll hold the coil. We got the coil. Yep.
Let me move my ladder a little bit.
Okay.
Let's go.
I'm liking the way this is going. Are we on TV?
It's gonna be nice.
Are we on TV now?
Are you on TV?
Hi! It's Rob. Low-flow, airflow Rob.
Yeah. Oh.
Nice.
We do.
Okay, Rob.
Mo, hey, did that hurt the airflow? No, so that we're okay.
You didn't ding up my unit,
Flow, airflow. Hojo, mojo. I don't want to hear none of your junk about my air flunk. Oh, my airflow's got to be good. I don't hear no junk about no.
You want me to pull on it?
Give it the squeaks.
Huh?
Yeah, you can go up there and I'll push it up.
And I don't know if I like them only 18 inches wide, Dad.
Oh man, come on.
We don't have any more.
21.
Why did you make them so much shorter, though?
I don't want to be bothered with them. I want to be in the middle of the unit without.
Yeah, but it doesn't bring it to the edge of the
Why?
panels. Because that's where the stiffness is. Mm-hmm.
Come on, get up in there. Stop pulling me.
You going on
This
a train
is-
ride, Robbie?
Where are we going up here?
Actually, we gotta.
Oh, we're going the wrong way, aren't we?
Yes.
You okay with it going the wrong way? Which way?
We're gonna have to try and spin it.
And then we take it to you.
What are you doing, Joe?
Can we get it up on here?
Oh man, this is gonna be hard to service.
I can't get the blower
Hey,
in.
excuse me, Mr. GoPro. Is it gonna be hard to service this way or easy?
Man, we're installers, man.
I think we need to cut some access panels here. I ain't sure though. And I don't think it's gonna drain all that good right here there, buddy.
That's what this pan's for.
I ain't been doing this too long, but I think we got a problem here.
All right, Cletus.
You just some of Bubba.
It's of our first Ruud residential changeout, existing changeout anyway. Couldn't really get much footage up to this point. This was pretty tight when we were working, and I just kept banging my head into the camera and banging it on wood, so just really wasn't working out, and we had a lot to get done. So I thought I'd stop this morning and give you guys some shots of the progress so far and kind of go over everything with you. I like these air handlers so far. They're pretty stout. Got nice foamed, or not foamed, formed rails in it, and they seem to be a lot stouter than even the Yorks we used to put in, and the Amanas that we were putting in just seemed like it's a lot better. Not a big fan of the external TXV connection, but looks like maybe sometimes I'll be able to keep it inside the panel there like I showed you guys. What else? Yeah, so we put in this new return in the hallway. As you can see, it used to have low returns. Believe it or not, there was a fuel oil furnace up here. And underneath there is just panned off in the wall where the return used to be, and the coil was real dirty, getting a lot of attic. Yeah, so you see we got a damper down there in the main trunk. And I also put mastic on the leading edges here, so that'll never erode. And yes, this is duckboard, but it's got a nice layer on it, and I try to really keep that layer intact as I'm working with it. Here's our supply duct here. Got a little blowout from the opening there. And back in here, this was real tight. Let's get this here. Got my drain locked in there, my line set. Okay guys, we're gonna go check on my dad over here, see how he's doing. And I'm gonna show you guys my latest and greatest invention that I promised you. So let's see what he's doing. What are you doing over here?
Hey! What am I doing? What does it look like I'm doing?
I don't know.
I'm doing the whip. Tell. I'm doing the whip. How do you like my whip? And my...
I don't know.
Nay. Don't be giving me no nay about my whip. Hope I'm gonna be on YouTube though. Don't be trying to look at the unit, man, and get my face in there.
Yeah. He's camera shy if you can't tell. He's a little camera shy.
I'm gonna use this big drill. Big drill.
You gonna put the panels on with that?
There's some reason I need to put some holes in it.
I was gonna show the guys my latest and greatest invention here.
What's that?
You haven't seen it either. Okay, so here's my latest invention here. So what I'm gonna do here is put this little guy there. Let's open this valve here. Okay, so check this out. This is just a little wireless receiver type thing for your light switch at home, and it's supposed to have really good, like 500-foot range. So we're going to plug that in here, and here's a little remote I can keep with me, and I can be in the attic. I can have this hooked to my valves, and I can turn my nitrogen on and off from the attic. So this is the first time I've ever used it. I kind of just put it together here, put it in this case, and inside here so this is just a little transformer I got to run the 24-volt solenoid valve. Stuck that down in this case here. You guys see these wires getting tangled up. I'll probably figure out some better way for that, but for right now it seems to work. So I'll kind of show you guys here what this thing is. So as you can see, I can actually pretty cool. I'm looking forward to this thing. It might save me some trips back and forth to the attic. Go show my dad and see what he thinks. He'll probably get a good laugh out of that.
Maybe I'll think about it.
Yeah.
You got me in front of his brain, you know?
Alright, so I'm going to show you my latest invention. And what you think?
This is like YouTube video.
Check it out.
What's your latest invention? Oh. And where'd this come from? Where'd this come from?
Donnie gave it to me, but
Skylink home.
it's just for a light switch in your house. They make these things so you can like do anything you want off the switch.
So you can be in the attic?
Be in the
How far away
attic?
can you be?
I don't know. I was going to have you test it.
Alright. Let me go up in the attic?
No, I already did it in the attic. I went up there, I pushed it, I could kind of hear it clicking, and I knew it worked in there. I was just curious if I could go all the way by like my van
Alright, go ahead.
and do it.
Call me on the phone. Call me.
Alright, I'm gonna press it. Yeah? Okay, cool. Back off. It's still on? Okay. So I'm out by the street by my van. Now I'm gonna walk a little further. Try it again. I'm gonna kind of get in beside my van over here. Nothing. Yeah. Yeah, so a van kind of blocks it. I bet if you were in like a thick wall. But that's pretty good. That means I can be in a normal size attic. You know, I probably could. Okay. Okay, I'm in the front door now, in that hallway. It's off now. Okay, I'm gonna go all the way around. Yeah. Well, see, this is kind of close. On, off, on, off. Yeah. He gave it to me for helping him out with that air conditioner thing, and he said he went online and found the best one he could or something. Yeah. Cool. I think it'll, yeah.